I'm gonna not catch them all either, because I'm awesome. I'm gonna catch them all. You're a Pokemon. Well, I wanna catch them all, because I wanna catch them. Oh, I know exactly. It's so easy. Look, I got a perfect start. Hey, Professor Oak, can I have a Pokeball? Now. He just caught himself. Anyway. Now I got my first Pokemon, and now I'm gonna start my journey. Yeah, so anyway, I'm not really a Pichu, I'm really a guy in a Pichu costume. Shut up, Pichu! Now I'm gonna train you! Pichu! Hey, look, it's a Pichu in a costume. Pichu! Oh, I'm gonna get to my mom! No! Shut up, Pichu! This Pichu's stronger. Hey, Pichu, bite my hand. Ah, it hurt. Pichu, bite my hand. Too slow. Anyway, this Pichu is obviously faster, stronger, and built to last longer. Hot Wheels. Beat that! Ew! It's a skull contained with a dusk, with a combination of some sort of eyeball. You know, it almost seems like he has two eyeballs, but he's combined with one using the skull illusion. That's perception, guys. Anyway, Pichu, I hate you. You're stupid. I can only have one Pokemon with 10. Pichu. 6. Pichu. We talk about I can have 6 Pokemon. Ah, forget it. I hate you. Now I'm gonna catch you. Go, Pokeball. 5 hours later. Wait a second. I don't have any Pokeballs. And besides, according to this tag, property of Misty. What kind of cruel Pokemon
Stupid
trainer?
cat. The cat. Did you see
What kind of Pokemon trainer will put a tag on a Pokemon?
Sure, the cat just knocked down the frame. Can you go fix it?
Yeah, sure. Interlude.
We know what you did. That's right. We know.
Is the interlude over yet?
You did.
No! Wow, I didn't care. Okay, anyway. Wait! What? Wait, property of Misty? Is there a Misty around?